Hi, in this video we are going to see about RDBMS introduction. Let's start with what is database system. Fine. Database system includes two things. One is database and second thing is DBMS, that is database management system. So let's see what does database is. Database is a collection of related data where data means raw fact. Okay, or we can say recorded fact. For example, we all are using Amazon, Google, then Indian Railway. They all work on data. So they will be maintaining database. If we consider railway, they'll have details about train, passengers and person who log in and the employee details. Right? So will they have all details of all Indian citizens? No, exactly. So they have only related data. That's why database is a collection of related data. Hope you got the meaning of related data. So now database is there, right? So what is the purpose of database? So they'll have some purpose, right? For that only they are recording it. That is, they are storing it. So saving data is having purpose. The details will be added, deleted or modified, right? So operation like insert, delete and update is taking place. All this operation can be done by database management system. So database management system is a collection of programs that enable users to create and maintain a database, right? Database is there. So database is nothing but collection of related data. That data we have to maintain, we have to manage. So for that purpose only database management system, right? Now, so this is a simplified database system environment. As I said, Google, Amazon, Facebook, Flipkart or our Indian Railway or any some other organization, they all are working on data and they are having database, right? So how that database environment will be there? So naturally the users will be accessing via some application program. They may be sending some queries and that will be processed, and that database management system software, based on that processing, it will retrieve data from the database, right? So database system includes database as well as the database management software, right? So this is what the simplified database system environment will look like. Next. So we are seeing what is database, collection of related data. So this database may be structured data or unstructured data, or it may be semi-structured. Okay, got it. So structured data in the sense it will have some specific format. They can be organized. They are well defined. That kind of data we say structured data. Okay. For example, customer data, sales data, or students details. So this and all structured data, they can be defined. Where unstructured data, they cannot be defined, they won't have a specific format like image, video, this and all unstructured data. So RDBMS, that is relational database management system, stores structured data. So structured data can be stored in a relational database management system. Database management system, examples are SQL, that is SQL, MySQL, Oracle 9911, 12. See, there are many things are there, DB2. These are all examples of database management system. Hope you got the meaning of relational database management system, where the database, the table format information is stored and each table are in with relation. Okay, they have some relations maintained among the table, that is relational database management system. So structured data are maintained using relational database management system, where data are stored in the form of table. So what is a table? Table are in the form of rows and columns, right, like Excel. So structured data, storing format is table. Table will have rows and columns. So stored in a relation format, structured data is stored in relation format. To maintain that, we need database management system. That database management system is called relational database management system.